Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Merry Christmas to everybody. This is Talanta Stadium latest progress. You can see from the entrance, they have done with one of the shield flag. You can see for yourself. I want to take you through, you see, what has been done by China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company ahead of AFCON 2027. You can see for yourself the massive progress that has been done so far. You can see for yourself the progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya, with a city capacity of 60,000 spectators. And the total construction cost is $344.5 million US, which is equivalent to 44.7 billion Kenya shillings. And you can see the shield flag, how beautiful it is. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company credit. They are doing a great job. This stadium was expected to be completed by December 2025, but due to changes, it's going to be complete by early 2026. Do you know Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya is going to host AFCON 2027? Do you know Talanta Stadium is going to be the largest stadium in Kenya? Stay tuned. I break everything for you. Like this video and subscribe, and let's see the canopy installation progress as of December 2025. And you can see what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company has done so far. Catwalks were installed in a less than a month, and you can see trusses were installed very early, and you can see the massive progress for yourself. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya, being constructed on Jamhuri grounds along Gong Road near Dagoret Corner, 10 kilometers west of Nairobi CBD, and you can see the roofing progress as of December 2025. Merry Christmas to everybody as you enjoy the latest update of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda are going to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027, and they are constructing 3 mega stadiums that are going to help to host AFCON 2027. In Kenya, we have Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. In Tanzania, we have Arusha Stadium, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium in Arusha, Tanzania. And in Uganda, we have Hoima City Stadium in Hoima City. And you can see the massive progress of Talanta. That is VIP construction. You can see they are constructing a VIP area. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company. As we talk, Hoima City Stadium has already been completed. Arusha Stadium is not yet. It's going to be completed next year. And Talanta Stadium is going to be completed next year. Hoima City Stadium is being constructed by Zuma, a company from Turkey, while Talanta Stadium and Arusha Stadium are being constructed by companies from China. You can see where seats are going to be installed. Everything is ready. You can see for yourself. You can see just a few steps and we say Talanta Stadium is ready to host games. The city capacity of Talanta Stadium is 60,000 spectators, and they are going to install 60,000 seats, and you can see where they are going to put those seats for yourself. You can see for yourself. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation credit. You can see for yourself. This project began back in that first March 2024 under a public-private partnership under the supervision of KDF, and you can see what has been done so far. You can see for yourself. Talanta Stadium is going to be the largest stadium in Kenya. You can see when I say 60,000 spectators, you can see how big the stadium is going to be. Even the play pitch, you can see for yourself. A play pitch of 105 by 68 meter. That is a standard international football size. And you can see for yourself. Let's keep enjoy the latest update of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. I hope everybody has seen the grand ceremony that was held on Morocco Stadium to open AFCON 2025. Just imagine that kind of ceremony is going to be held here on TALANTA Stadium to open AFCON 2027. Just imagine what you saw on Morocco Stadium is going to be done here. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation and all stakeholders that has helped to put this stadium to this stage so far. You can see the construction of VIP. Let's enjoy this video, and Merry Christmas to everybody early in advance. Enjoy the video as you enjoy your Merry Christmas. This is TALANTA Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya, and it's going to host AFCON 2027 with a city capacity of 60,000 spectators, and the total construction cost is $344.5 million, which is equivalent to 44.7 billion Kenya shillings. The construction company is China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company, under the supervision of KDF. It's being constructed on Jamhuri grounds along Gong Road near Dagoretti Corner, 10 kilometers west of Nairobi CBD, Central Business District. This is Kenya. This is made for Kenyans. This is Africa.